TVs, and everyone gets a double warranty. And our Premier service comes at a price that beats Amazon every time, making the big screen store the intelligent choice. Locations in Maryland and Virginia.
Cue it up.
Queen Latifah, weekdays on ABC 7.
Since the geriatric wing was being remodeled, Turk and I were herding old people to their new rooms. That's a closet, Mr. Jenkins. Come on, Mr. Benedetti, you're only a few thousand tiny steps away.
Diddy, we need to find a way to move these Gomers faster.
All aboard! The love train. That was a fun fantasy. I wish it didn't have to end.
Hey, that's a nice